Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a Discord server that you made. First, open Discord on your phone or computer and log into your account. On the left-hand side, find the server you want to delete and tap on it. Once you're inside the server, look for the server name at the top of the screen and tap on it. A menu will appear. From here, select Settings or Server Settings. Scroll down in the Settings menu and look for the Delete Server option. Tap on it. You will be asked to confirm the deletion. If prompted, enter your server name to confirm and then tap Delete Server. Once you do this, the server will be permanently deleted and all its content will be gone. That's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.